The Continental Rollo-Mixer is used in a wide variety of bulk solid and granular applications. One of my favorite is the pet food industry. We have been involved in manufacturing products in the pet food industry for over 45 years. And just to give you an example, I have some samples with me today of some fish food that you would see dropping into the top of your fish tank. It's a mixture of 6 or 7 different ingredients along with an oil put on as a dedusting agent. And there's also things like this European dog food. These dogs eat pretty fancy materials with puffed rice and cornflakes and different chunks of materials that are mixed with the Rollo-Mixer. And then they also spray on a fat at the end of the product. There's also materials such as cat chow. Here's a sample of a before and after where they put the cat chow pellets into the Rollo-Mixer and then put on a coating to uniformly coat the surface area of each one of these pellets. And that's an application that works very well because in most of these bulk solid applications, you don't want to damage the integrity of the materials going into the machine. And that's where our machine excels because the Rollo-Mixer rotates at a nominal 3.5 RPM. And so we don't inject any friction or any fracture into the particles. We maintain their integrity throughout the process. And to maintain the integrity of the product is really critical. You may not think so, but in the case of caged bird food, they're very finicky eaters. And if you damage the peanuts or the banana peppers or those materials that are very friable, the bird will simply push it away with its beak. It won't even bother eating the materials. So I've got with me a sample of some exotic caged bird food where you can see the peanuts and the bananas and the different sunflower seeds. And then you've also got parakeet food, a very finer particle size, yet still important to mix these 6 or 7 different ingredients with the milo seeds and the millets into a uniform blend. There's applications where you have to blend these dissimilar particle size and densities into a uniform mix and then maintain uniformity throughout discharge. And one of the things that's really important in the pet food industry is that you don't generate any fines or create any friction to the product because really, when you go to the store, to the pet food store, there are so many products that are blended and put together into a certain formula for that particular pet, whether it's an adult or a young pet. And it's really important that the person buying the bag of bird seed isn't looking at a bunch of fines on the plastic bag, but rather all the particles are intact and uniformly distributed.